Well, this definitely wasn't planned.
We've decided that we are going to stay the night tonight. We're going to rough it.
We've been driving out to the boat every weekend, about an hour each way, just to clean it. And when I say cleaning, I mean that I have been scrubbing like Cinderella. And Jason's been scraping who knows what off the walls. Every weekend I tell myself that it's gonna get better. Just a little more cleaning and it's gonna smell better. It doesn't. This weekend we thought that we'd stay late, get more done, and then head home. But we were exhausted. Those blow-up mattresses that we keep in the truck for camping started looking pretty good.
I thought that we would have a few more weeks before we stayed the night, but that is just not the way we roll. So we've decided that we are going to stay the night tonight. We're going to rough it, but we only have one plug, and we don't want to choose between a light and a heater. So we're going to run and grab a plug from somewhere and some coffee. We're going to spend our first night in the boat.
We're doing it tonight.
We're doing it.
20-something degrees.
Yes, 29 degrees. We're gonna. I like roughing it. We're gonna rough it.
Of course, we were not prepared. One throw blanket, no pillows, no coffee, and no working outlet for the heaters. We managed to find an outlet, 2 pillows, and a blanket.
Okay, so we got a power cord, and we were hoping to plug up 2 heaters, one up in the salon and one down in the V-berth, but every time we plug both of them in, it blows the breaker. So hopefully one heater will get us through the night. It's supposed to get down to 28 tonight. I guess while he's trying to insulate it.
Put some insulation in. You're getting a little bit of price.
We're not going to sleep in the V-berth tonight because it's still a little moldy down there. So we've made up the saloon. Salon sounds prettier, but it's, I think, technically a saloon. Jason's trying to get the power to the boat on so that we can run both heaters. It's supposed to get down to 28, 27 tonight. This is pretty cold.
It was miserable.
Hey, fella. You want some fish?
Wow. So it was definitely a pretty rough night. What do you think? It was very cold all night. And this morning we realized that Jason had left a window open.
Behind the blinds, window wide open.
Yep, behind the blinds. We got down to 27 and it was cold, and it still has a musty smell in here. So I slept this on all night. And there's no coffee in the boat because we were not prepared to stay the night. But it's really cold outside, and we don't know if we're going to weather. We're just going to stay inside until it warms up, or if we're going to try to find coffee. Morning.
Morning.
How was your first night?
Rough. Cold. Laid right there underneath an open window, 27 degrees all night, and shivered. Can't believe that damn window is open, man, behind the blinds. Unreal. I can't believe we didn't feel the breeze blowing right out.
I kept telling you, I felt the wind blowing.
You damn sure did. It's like a door being open.
I got up in the middle of the night and shut the door to the B-Bird because it's not been as cleaned as the rest of the cabin. And it smells pretty bad.
I didn't know it at the time, but Jason had tore out the headliner while I was asleep.
I don't like bad smells. Okay, so we are gonna have to bundle up and go find some coffee because we are not people that can go without coffee. I can't go without coffee because we've never had to. So Jason went to get coffee, and it smells bad to me. Jason can't smell it, so I'm just suffering the smell alone because he can't smell it. My nose works extra well. I probably haven't told you all this, but I actually have a superpower. I can smell anything. I can smell anything better than you, which is it's a blessing and a curse, because he cannot smell how moldy and musty and mildew this place is. He doesn't smell it, and I'm getting a headache from it. I slept in my mask because it's bad. It's really bad. I don't like it. I love my boat, and I feel like I'm allergic to it because I'm allergic to dirt and dust and mold and grass and puppy dogs and kittens and pretty much everything. Everything. The smell has been, it kept me up. It was that bad. I've wiped everything down with vinegar and bleach. And even like a mildew cleaner and Lysol. And it still smells really bad. I think it's because we haven't cleaned out the bilge yet. Because it's a lot to do. I wasn't expecting to stay the night here, so I don't have anything to make myself presentable for y'all. I'm sorry. And I don't have any coffee. And I don't much work without coffee. I've never had to, so we'll see how that goes. Did I mention that it smells really bad? It smells pretty fucking bad. So I got like an $8 candle from Kroger and I can't smell it at all. It has been going on. All I smell is mildew and yucky boat smell. I read online somewhere that you could spray vodka as room spray, and that the vodka would cleanse the air. And I'm almost to that point. I have never experienced anything this bad smell-wise. As beautiful as the parquet floors are, is as bad as it smells. And they are beautiful. If you have any idea how to get rid of this old musty boat smell, please leave it in the comments because I need help.
We may have been uncomfortable and unprepared, but it was still our first night on the boat, and that is something I will never forget.